Apple refreshed its 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro alongside the new MacBook announcement and new Apple Watch details that it shared at the March 9th event. This new machine has the same industrial design as the previous version, so you've got that same aluminum unibody case and the same keyboard and the same display, but there are some key differences. So among those differences are the new processor. It's got a new Intel Broadwell architecture, with different options available depending on how much you want to spend. But all of those are going to offer more power and consume less energy than the previous generation Intel Core processors powering these machines. It also has Thunderbolt 2 and USB 3.0 on the ports, and you've got the same backlit keyboard with this consistent LED underlying all of them for the backlighting, which is different than the new MacBook's design, but still among the best in the business in terms of keyboard backlighting and aesthetics. Now, the other thing that you get on this new machine is a redesigned piece of hardware for touch-based input. So the new Force Touch Trackpad, as it's called, allows you to use the trackpad as you would with previous generations, but while you'll feel like there's an actual physical click happening, there actually isn't one at all. And this also allows Apple to take advantage of the new pressure sensitivity to do a new force touch movement. So you can click and then do a deeper click, a deeper secondary click to bring up stuff like this, where you'll see a website preview, for instance, if you click on links in Safari. Or if you're using preview to manipulate PDF documents, you can sign a signature and it'll detect different pressure levels. You can also do this when you're marking up the document if you're, say, using the marker tool here to indicate that you'd like something changed, or to highlight a particular piece of the document, or just to doodle. You can now do that on the trackpad and it'll have pressure sensitivity detection. You can also force click to get dictionary definitions, and you can click through and see the Wikipedia entry for those words as well. You can force click to get map previews when there's addresses detected in Safari. And there's a bunch of other functions that you can do as well. You can adjust the response of the trackpad to make it feel more or less clicky. So on light it feels like it's not depressing at all. On firm it feels pretty much like the old mechanical click trackpads of other MacBooks. Now the display is still fantastic on these machines. It's Apple's Retina display. It's an IPS with great viewing angles, and overall this is Apple's best notebook yet.